You've heard AI is taking over tech jobs, but in 2026, tech hiring is actually booming. What's really happening? This shift could change your career path. At the start of 2026, technology companies experienced a sharp rebound in hiring needs. This surge is challenging the widespread belief that artificial intelligence will eliminate engineering jobs. Instead, demand for engineers and tech talent is growing, signaling that AI is not yet a replacement but a complement to human skills. This reversal could reshape the job market and your career opportunities in tech. Indeed's hiring lab analysis reveals a 170% increase in U.S. job postings featuring generative AI skills between January 2024 and January 2025. This sharp rise shows companies urgently seeking candidates fluent in Gen AI technology. It means that while AI automates some tasks, the need for engineers who can build, manage, and improve AI systems is skyrocketing. If you're tech-savvy and AI-literate, your job prospects are improving. Despite AI advances, the hiring environment remains strong for new graduates. HireVue's global data for the class of 2026 shows that 79% of entry-level roles are still available. This means students can confidently pursue tech careers without fearing immediate job loss to AI. Employers continue to invest in fresh talent, highlighting that human creativity and learning remain vital in tech development. While companies like Oracle are increasing investments in AI, layoffs in some sectors fuel debates on which jobs might disappear. However, this does not apply evenly. The surge in software engineering job listings in 2026 indicates that AI is not killing developer opportunities. Rather, firms are reshaping teams, emphasizing roles that AI cannot replace, such as creative problem-solving and complex coding. This dynamic hiring pattern signals a nuanced tech labor market. Interestingly, job postings for software engineers have increased this year, going against the narrative that AI will diminish developer roles. Companies need engineers to build, maintain, and oversee AI systems, which explains this surge. This trend highlights that AI is a tool requiring expert human oversight. For tech professionals, this means your skills remain in high demand and adapting to AI technology can boost your career. So what does this mean for you? If you're worried AI will steal your tech job, think again. Tech hiring is booming, especially for those with AI skills. Entry-level roles remain plentiful and software engineering jobs are growing. Staying current with AI will make you more valuable, not obsolete. Hit subscribe for the latest on how tech and AI shape your future job market.